Hey everybody, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com. We've got the 4th of July holiday on Monday, so the market's closed, and happy 4th, everybody. We do, contrary to what many people seem to think, live in the greatest nation on this particular planet. It was an experiment to see if people can govern themselves, and I'd say all in all, that experiment, while still percolating, is working. So let's be thankful that we live in a free society in an awesome country with more blessings than we can count. And I sincerely mean that. So anyway, let's look at Harte-Hanks here. HHS. I mentioned this a couple days ago in the chart of the day, or Fits in 5, as I call it. And it just seemed like the kind of stock that, you know, my God, it's done going up. It has to be. It's so extended. But then you look at it on the weekly chart and you say, absolutely, this stock is done going up, and yet it's not. And so we look at this on the daily chart, and you can see how this volume has really, really blasted this stock off. Now, at this point, though, I would suggest that it's time for you to take profits. I got in on this stock very late. I just saw it earlier this week. So I haven't caught much of this move at all, but I'm no longer in it. I just took the money and ran in this kind of market. So I would suggest that you not have faith in the trend. Don't have faith in anything else. Have faith in the trade, not the trend. And if you took that trade when I suggested it, then why not just be happy with that and take the money? Now, the stock's still printing higher lows, which is what we like to see, intraday lows. It's still printing higher intraday highs, which we also like to see. But this is the first lower close that we've seen since back here on the 22nd, a couple weeks ago. And so I think it's time for you just to kind of take the money here, okay? Look, I want to mention something to you, and this is the first time I've ever done this. I know this girl, Karina Granat. She's a dog trainer. She has been working with us to train Riley, our young rescue dog, and she's amazing. These are her labs. She's got 2 English labs, and she was in a car ran over her just a couple days ago, and she's now in the hospital. She may never walk again. A car just blew through a stop sign. And so if, there's a GoFundMe page that started, and if you have it in your heart to contribute, I would sure appreciate it. But I totally understand that money's really tight too. So, I need to just say that, but she's an amazing kid, really, really, she's single, she's young. I don't even know if she has insurance, but she's going to need a lot of help, and I'm going to do everything that I can to help her and maybe even adopt these 2 dogs while she is recovering. She's still in intensive care. So anyway, that's all. Appreciate it. And I will see you next week. And by the way, I'll post the link on this email if you're on our email list. Okay.